What is up, KIC? KIC, make some noise! Make some noise!
Kumusta yung performance namin? Sabi nila HOK daw.
HOK.
Pero bago kami magsimula ulit, gusto lang namin magpakilala. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ang mababala si Pablo.
Hi everyone, my name is Stel.
Hi everyone, I'm Justin.
Hello everyone, I'm Josh.
Hello everyone, I'm Ken.
Of course, we are SB19! Ayala, 18. Kamusta naman yung first performance namin ng Burn the Flame? Parang medyo mahina. Kamusta yung performance namin?
For sure, nagustuhan nila yan.
Salamat.
Tsaka, grabe. Parang naka-million streams agad to.
Ah, talaga? Oo. Alam ko, ano ba siya eh? Yung sales worldwide na top niya.
Oo.
Pang-pito ba yun? Pang-4?
Hindi ko na maalala,
Pero maraming salamat sa suporta niyo sa SB19, sa kanta, and syempre sa HOK. Para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung Burn the Flame po is the official soundtrack of Honor of Kings. So sana po nagustuhan niyo yung performance.
Yes. Sayang, di ka sumali, pre. Dapat sumali ka. Sana nakaabot tayo sa finals, di ba?
Sayang eh.
Pero we just want to congratulate everyone, of course, for the finalists. And sa lahat ng lumahok dito sa country natin, sa home country. Balita ko hindi syempre nakapasok home country. But next time, alam naman natin, palag-palag yan. But we're very thankful. We just want to syempre take this opportunity to, of course, promote our upcoming tour. It's gonna be this week na. We're gonna be going to Australia. That's gonna be on December 5 at Melbourne Town Hall. And so December 6, Sydney at Northwest Convention Center. December 12, Auckland, the Trust Arena. December 14 at Red Hill Auditorium. Yes. Thank you so much.